Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Shiba Inu burn is confirmed by Google's CEO prepare to never work again. The news on Monday at South by Southwest hours, following the demise of Silicon Valley banks, which threatened the viability of most tech businesses. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a virtual Zen escape complete with charming bamboo and cherry tree forests that swayed in the wind, as well as an iconic monument honoring the Japanese hunting dog breed known as the Shiba Inu, which was given the name W. Agmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency catchphrase "We're all going to make it." In this video, the Google CEO verifies the Shiba Inu burn. It provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse at the metaverse being constructed by the creators of the Shiba Inu money. Prepare to never work again. Remember to give this article a massive thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Share and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent information on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inus. Decentralization of cryptocurrency amid bank runs like Friday's is unavoidable as more people become aware of this and choose to diversify. That 5% global adoption number increases. Shosher Kusama, the enigmatic lead developer of Shiba Inu, who goes only by his pseudonym and uses an avatar of a hooded figure in a long cloak, tells Fast Company via Google Meet that he has turned off his video camera and is typing into a chatbot without speaking aloud. He sings banks' fractional reserves. Web3 enthusiasts continue to be a specialized portion of Twitter, but inside the crypto Deans' ship may have inspired the most cult-like fan base, producing 2A. The token's conception began as a joke 2 years ago, with the intention of creating a Dogecoin killer to surpass the rival meme-based token Dogecoin. However, its devoted supporters, known as the Army, couldn't have been more serious. Together, they propelled Shibainu into the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point, with a $44 billion market capitalization, all thanks to a social media rally and the launch of shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform. Along the way, the universe of the token has grown to include 10,000 Shosher NFTs, pixelated Shibu characters with various accessories, such as a pirate hat or a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth. After receiving praise from Elon Musk, the creator of Ethereum and a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency space, Shibu partnered with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. What started out as light-hearted jokes from the meme community has already amassed 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally. Now, it's taking its biggest leap yet with its layer to blockchain called Shibarium, which rolled out in beta last week along with a set of new tokens in preparation for a flagship metaverse Shib the Metaverse, which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. With it, Shib hopes to become more than just a meme coin. Some of the loudest people on Twitter are also quick to pile onto news blasts flinging hashtags like Shib Army Strong and #Hail Shib, promising to take Shib hashtag to the moon in 2022. The strange mythology surrounding Shiba Inus adds to their allure. Their founder, Rosie, was also veiled in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet last summer. His ironically cat-shaped avatar vanished from Discord, but he didn't disappear completely. Rashi left behind a roadmap that Shosher joined after the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's tweet centage skyrocketing has been following ever since. Shosher Metaverse Land Plot Sales Fund Metaverse Development. The team has not yet decided on the tokenomics for Leash and Bone, or if they will keep a share. They have not disclosed whether they take a cut of the transaction fees from Shiba swaps, and the money from Shosher NFT sales is spent elsewhere. Venture capital, but the Shib's biggest boast is its community, a term that appears frequently in magazine interviews, blog postings, and tweets, as lead advisor Marcy Gastro Shib Metaverse tells Fast Company. The team hired a company to build the metaverse using Unreal Engine software, and even as they plotted, they're taking into account feedback from the Shib Army. However, there isn't a creative director on board, so they first create concept art in black and white sketches, publish the drafts on a blog, and wait for social media activity before making constant changes to the coloring and rendering in 3D. The first of the 11 zones under development, the WMI Temple, is an unspoiled fantasy land complete with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. The community even extends to other metaverses like Decentral and the Sandbox or Yuga Labs' other side, which is typically seen as competition, but Jastro insists that the pioneers must come together for a space as meaningful and transformative as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality, saying that while it might seem overly friendly, particularly during the lean times of the cryptocurrency winter, when venture capital funding has frozen over and survival feels more cutthroat than ever, Jastro is not incorrect. Because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living on a Web3 or even a 3D Web 2, despite Mark Zuckerberg's fervent campaign for Horizon Worlds Meta, people are now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse, so what's good for one may be excellent for all. The idea on which Zuckerberg staked his company's reputation following the Metaverse division's $13.3 billion loss in 2022 Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a discount of 60 cents on the dollar late last year. Various Metaverse coins are down by as much as 80% with a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. Centralan, arguably the leader in the space, has only 8,000 daily active users. With its present market capitalization of $6 billion, Shibu would have an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, much above even the gross domestic product, if the token were to hunt for a value of $1 per token as previously projected. Shiba Inu's most recent developments keep making headlines. Shibu, the token powering the second largest meme coin, has seen a surge in popularity as more and more investors are drawn to it by the possibility of high returns. Of course, any serious investor will realize that such a price would not be attainable without drastic reductions in supply, but many enthusiasts are drawn to the potential profits of investing in this unique cryptocurrency driven by millennials given its current low price and high potential rewards. Shibu price, which is now trading at $0.0000000120, retested critical descending trendline support earlier in March and rebounded, implying the trend was ready to shift northwards prior to the correction. Despite the recent double-digit surge, Shib had emerged in January, rising 96% to a new yearly high of $0.000000011576 by early February. A few boxes need to be taken by Shibu before investors can be certain that a new bull market has begun. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is currently trading at $0.0000001120 over the past 24 hours. In spite of the immediate resistance, a break above the 100-day exponential moving average is still necessary for Shib to maintain the breakout from the falling trend line. Shiba Inu's trading volume has increased by 30% to $321 million, suggesting that investors are piling in more money as they expect a much larger move in the price over the next few days. Important momentum metrics, such as the convergence of the moving average after the market as a whole and Shiba Inu were dumped owing to Silicon Valley Bank's failure. Divergence revealed a resolute bullish face. The daily time frame chart showed a buy signal from the MACD. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal while remaining above the mean line. The price of the Shiba Inu is above the 100-day moving average, 100 EMA, which is at 0.111 on the 4-hour chart. Keep in mind that the 100 EMA is the immediate resistance on the daily chart. A daily close above 0.111 could confirm that support is intact and the path with the least resistance is to the upside. That concludes today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Buyers are determined to hold on to the precious gains this time, especially during this week's recovery ahead of the Federal Reserve's decision on a possible interest rate hike on March 22. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.